Once upon a time, in a land full of tall trees and green hills, there lived a little dinosaur named Dino. He was small, curious, and always full of energy. Dino lived happily with his parents in a big rocky cave near a sparkling river. One day the ground began to shake. It was an earthquake. He was all alone. Dino wandered into the thick jungle calling Mama, Papa, but only the rustling of leaves answered him. After walking for a while, Dino heard some giggling. Suddenly a playful monkey swung down from the trees. The monkey shared some fruits with him and said, "Don't worry, little Dino. In life, when things go wrong, we must stay playful and hopeful. A happy heart can make any day better." Dino smiled for the first time that day and thanked the monkey before moving on. He learned a lesson: stay cheerful even in hard times. Next, Dino came across a huge elephant drinking water by the river. "Hello, Mr. Elephant," Dino said politely. "I'm lost. I don't know which way to go." The elephant looked down kindly and said, "Don't rush, little one. When you feel lost, take a deep breath and think before you move. Strength is not in running fast, but in staying calm." Dino watched as the elephant helped a baby bird out of the water using his trunk. Gentle but strong. Dino learned that day that true strength comes with kindness. That night, Dino felt scared again. It was dark and strange sounds echoed in the jungle. Then he heard a calm voice. "Woo, are you afraid, little one?" It was a wise old owl sitting on a branch. "Yes," Dino whispered. "I miss my parents and don't know where to go." The owl said, "Fear is normal, but don't let it stop you. Courage means moving forward even when you're afraid. Trust yourself. You've already come this far." Dino looked up at the shining stars and felt braver. He learned that courage is not being fearless, but moving forward with faith. As Dino walked further, he saw a line of tiny ants carrying food much bigger than themselves. He knelt and asked, "Don't you get tired carrying all that?" One ant replied, "We do get tired, but we work together. Teamwork makes us strong." Dino smiled and helped them move a leaf. It was small work for him, but huge help for them. He realized even the smallest creatures can teach big lessons. The next morning, Dino followed the river, remembering what his new friends had taught him: to stay happy, calm, kind, brave, and work together. Soon he heard familiar voices calling his name, "Dino, Dino." He ran as fast as he could. It was his parents. They hugged him tightly. Dino excitedly told them about all his new friends and everything he had learned. His parents smiled and said, "You've grown wiser, little one. Sometimes getting lost helps us find who we really are. Every challenge teaches us something."